Good morning all. Today we are going to cover chapter 1 types of computer for grade 6. In this chapter we are going to categorize the computer on the basis of two principles, working principle and on the basis of size. Let's get started. Make sure before you start watching the video you should have a pencil and book in your hands. Computer. Everybody know what is a computer, right? It is a machine that responds to particular instructions given to it. It also stores all information and then process that information to carry out the necessary actions. What is the characteristics of computer? It responds to a specific set of instructions and it stores and retrieves large amount of data. We everybody know that computer is one of the most brilliant invention of mankind. You can well imagine a computer were of size of room and consumed huge amount of electricity earlier, but with the advancement of time and technology you see computer can come like a small watch. Now we are going to discuss based on the size, power, area of usage. They have been classified into two types. First, on the basis of working principle. What is working principle? Working principle gives you the way computer works. What is the principle behind the computer works? So there are three types of computer. First, analog, second, digital, and third, hybrid computer. What is analog computer? An analog computer represents the data in terms of physical measure or quantities. It takes the signals to operate the data and then it responds to the particular signal value. The earliest analog computer that was developed is Tide Predictor in 1873 and it was developed by William Thomson. For more clarification about analog computer, you can take an example of thermometer. Now what thermometer does? It takes the body, it gives you a measure the body temperature. Take an example of weighing machine. Weighing machine measure the weight of the body. So these two examples will help you to understand analog computer that gives you that measures a physical quantity. Next we have, with the advancement of computer and with the growth and advancement in technology, we were introduced with digital computer. Now what is digital computer? Analog computer was very slow for processing and it was very complex also. So digital computers started using digital circuits and they were designed to operate on two states, 0 and 1. We all know computers understand only two states, only two numbers, 0 and 1. Now they found that digital computers have high processing speeds. They were easy to operate as compared to analog computer, and in the first digital computer that was introduced was Colossus. So the PCs that we use today, or like the PCs were of big size for digital computers, but the speed was very good. So this is how digital computer was introduced, but there was still many drawbacks in digital computers. So what they did is they combined both and gave a name hybrid computer. Now hybrid computer takes advantages of both analog and digital and gives a perfect combination of computer. In this, both analog signals and digital signals are used. In this type of computer, the digital segments process control by conversion of analog to digital signals. It is basically used for AI purpose, artificial intelligence, and for complicated processes. FACTA was the first hybrid computer that was invented by Davy Hendrick in 1976. There are many more examples. Even now also we are using hybrid computers that gives us better speed, that are not very complex to use, and that gives us fast processing. Okay, let's have some fun fact. Do you know which was the first supercomputer of India? Yeah, the name was Param 8000. So Param 8000 was the first supercomputer of India. So that's it for today. We are going to discuss in the next video about categories, about the different categories of computer depending on the size. Till now, watch this video carefully. Note down your doubts if you have some. We will discuss in the live classes and try to solve the back exercise. Thanks for watching.